Oh my god, you're gonna be here for days trying to put this on your skin. Let's try the Sage foundation. And no primer. I'm gonna just use the Ultra Repair Cream by First Beauty. Saie Glowy Super Skin Lightweight Hydrobounce Serum Foundation. A lightweight serum foundation with medium buildable coverage that brightens and leaves a luminous finish, blends easily for a hydrated and seamless second skin appearance. Coverage medium, finish radiant, formulation liquid. This product is vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. This ultra hydrating foundation brightens and evens out the appearance of skin upon application. Comprised of 85% skin ingredients and 15% weightless pigment. Glowy Super Skin includes a proprietary pigment. Glowy Super Skin includes a proprietary active complex, Hydrobounce, that is 5 times more hydrating than traditional hyaluronic acid. For plump, luminous skin, Glowy Super Skin's breathable, fluid serum texture achieves flawless skin-like coverage that lasts all day. I don't know if it's gonna be my okay. Oh, okay. It feels creamy like a lotion. It's very spreadable. Like it's light. Oh, it's a very light foundation. Oh, this is for like makeup, no makeup situations. This is not gonna. This is. I would say this is like a BB cream. This is not gonna cover anything. Oh my god. I am already not liking this because this falls under the category. Like I wouldn't say this is a foundation. I would say this is a very light skin tint, and I don't even think this like if you were to use a sponge with this, it would just disappear. And what is this? Oh wait, okay. Am I supposed to? Oh, okay. This looks dark when I first apply it, but then when I spread it, it's ashy or too white. What the hell? Okay, we're gonna read the claims of this foundation in a second. Oh my god, this feels like almost as runny as baby oil. The how are you supposed to like this is just like a little wash of a tint. They better not be calling this a foundation. Because I'm putting so much on so that I can get coverage. Because if this is just it just disappeared. I put way too much on my skin. Whoa, okay. Oh my goodness. Like it just moves around. It does not blend into your skin. It just stays on top. It just moves around. Like it doesn't blend in. What? Look. Did you see that? Oh my god, you're gonna be here for days trying to put this on your skin. And if you just put a little bit, it just gives me like a luminous. Oh my god. It's all on top of my skin. Like, when I move it here, it just moves. Like when I go like this, I see streaks. What the? I've been massaging this in for a long time. What? And it gets lighter and lighter. This is number 10. Look how dark it looks in the bottom. Oh no, this is a fail. Okay, I'm gonna try to powder it a little bit with this one. I'm gonna use a bigger brush. Okay, that's looking better. The shade is so wrong. It doesn't match with my skin. When you first take it out of the bottle, it even looks darker. Now here it just look like the white ghost. It still feels like it's wet, like it's not set. Okay, so this I don't I don't understand. Like what the this is for that person who maybe even for guys like that boy beat just to put a little tint in your skin to even the skin tone or something like that a little bit, but it doesn't even do that. It's definitely for like the makeup and no makeup situation.